Hey, first grade friends, it's time for science. You have this cool booklet in your Wednesday folder. And this booklet is about science tools. Does anybody in your house use tools? Maybe somebody uses a screwdriver or a hammer or something else to fix things. We use tools in our lives every day. So, a tool are things that help us do something. We use tools in science. This tool is called a magnifying glass. Magnifying glass. Some tools help us measure things. Some tools help us share what we learn with our friends. We can write our ideas in a notebook. We can put our ideas on a computer. I'm using my computer right now as a tool to record videos for you. In science, we learn about animals and plants. We learn about Earth. We learn about ways things work. Tools help us learn in science. These are called binoculars. They help you see far away. Binoculars. And there's another magnifying glass. It helps us see things close up. When you talk about science, be sure to tell exactly what happened. Talk about why you think it happened. Guess what this is? What do you think this picture is? Some tools make things look bigger. We call these tools magnifiers. The objects in this picture have been magnified. What do you think this is a picture of? What do you think? Make a good guess. This is actually hair from a person's head, up close, closer than we can see it. You can't, my hair doesn't look like that right now because I'm not using a magnifier. So I dug around in the classroom and looked for some tools that I like to use. Scissors are tools to help cut paper. A thermometer is a tool to measure temperature, how hot or cold it is. A ruler is a tool to measure length, so I can see how long something is. A spoon is a tool that helps me eat. Otherwise, I have to use my fingers, and that's pretty nasty, especially if you eat soup. A fork is another tool that helps me eat. We don't get our hands so dirty when we use a fork and a spoon. A paper clip is a tool to hold papers together. A timer is a tool to tell time and to keep track of time. How long has it been? We need a minute and a half to do our sprints in math. An eraser is a tool. We use erasers to fix mistakes when we write with pencil. And a pencil is a tool for writing. Did you know that you use tools every day? Yeah, you do. Measurement. A ruler is a tool that helps you find the length of an object. Use the ruler to place the zero end of the ruler at the end of your object. Look at the other end of the object and read the number on the ruler. Measure the length of your book. Write your answer here. So I am going to measure the length of a book. Here's one of my teacher books. So I'm going to put the 0 here at this end. Right there is where the 0 is. And I'm going to look at this end where the book ends, and I am at 9 inches. See, it's at the 9 down here at the bottom, the 9 inches. Right here. So it is 9 inches long. So you can write 9 on your paper and IN for inches. A book was 9 inches. Now let's measure a pencil. This way, so if you don't have a ruler at home, we can measure. So I'm going to put the pencil all the way at this end, and I'm going to measure down to here. And it's a little over 7 inches. See? It's a little bit more than 7 inches. So you can just write 7. We're going to kind of round it because we're in first grade. 7 inches. You might want to find a ruler at home and use it to measure some things too. At the bottom, look at the pictures in each row and X the thing that does not belong. We have a cat, a fish, a flower, and a bird. X the one does not belong. We have corn, a kangaroo, a flower, and a plant. What does not belong? Something doesn't go together with those. All right, scientists. Good job. I hope you learned about tools today. Go around your house and see if you can find some tools that you use to do something. Do you use a tool to turn the TV on and off? Do you use a tool to take a picture? Do you use a tool to clean your floors or your tables? Do you use other tools for cleaning? Do you use a tool to clean the toilet? I do. I'm not going to do it with my hands. All right. I would like you to tell me next week about some tools you found around your house. Bye.